Well, he bataka me. But Jayden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really I go on.
What you talking about is Jayden place. See me up to the time, a cartel. I represent for Jayden Chase. We spray them face on the AK race. See me up to the time, the Gaza station.
Yeah, man, move settings nation. And we no need no ladder. Welcome to the channel. Yeah, man, Jayden Chase, another one. We're gonna bring another exciting reasoning on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I'm remind you now, but click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, what's a shape on the blogging true. What them would do for be a millionaire? What them would do for be a G? Viewers and subscribers, the every hustler, dancehall, DJ, the superstar has just signed a distribution deal with the world's largest company by revenue and one of the world's biggest retail giants. This is definitely the independent dancehall deal of the century, viewers and subscribers. But before we get into the reason, viewers and subscribers, I want to take the time out for big up Jayden, Little Vybz Palmer, one of the young UTG bosses. Big up Little Addy and Iko said speed. You know the thing go sharp boss, big up yourself. Blessings for your earth strong, young king. You know the something go already. Blessings and respect.
In Versace jeans to full power. Charge up me, bring me chain, me shoes covered. Pop champagne like Migos.
Now let's get into the reasoning, viewers and subscribers. Now according to Fortune Global 500, Wal-Mart is the world's largest company by revenue, generating over 548.7 billion. And that in American and also international currency. They are also the world's largest private employer in the world, boasting over 2.2 million employees. And viewers and subscribers, Vybz Kartel's music is being distributed in Walmart stores across the globe. But hold on, I know someone has said, but wait, other dancehall artists over there to keep calm. To date, as hardcore dancehall artists, only Vybz Kartel's music is being distributed by the department store and grocery store giants. Only commercial dancehall is there with Shaggy and Sean Paul. And we know them the based on, record label connections that they have developed for themselves over the years. Think about it. Shaggy in the Cheetos commercial. Him dep on the bag, him over there. You know what I mean? And Sean Paul also has music being distributed there as well. But this is definitely the independent dancehall deal of the century. Think about it. Vybz Kartel as an independent artist. Well, when we say independent artist, we mean the label he is signed to is independently owned. Vybz Kartel and his family own shares to all of his record labels. And to date, they are not publicly trading companies where you can go buy shares or buy stocks from the stock exchange. The percentage of sales that Vybz Kartel will see from the sales of his music right here or right there in Wal-Mart will be that much greater than some other artists were signed to 20 people. Now, Vybz Kartel has also just opened up another revenue stream for modern day hardcore dancehall artists. Some people that feel like, say, yo, a giant, a store like Wal-Mart that probably only want to market commercial dancehall music. Of course, the reggae stars are there. They don't feel like Bob Dede. You don't feel like Bob Dede. But for the category of dancehall, you're going to see Vybz Kartel, Sean Paul, and Shaggy. Now, remember, this now means hardcore dancehall is being distributed through the Wal-Mart giant in 26 countries, operating under 54 different names and companies. And just like the Palmers and their businesses, Wal-Mart is also a family-owned entity and still retains 50.1% of the company. And that's all you need, just an extra 1% there for have a majority rule. Now, viewers and subscribers, to partner with a company who saw revenue for the fiscal year of 2021, remember, 2021, 559.2 billion. This is one of the only companies who can say that even during what take place worldwide, their revenue has still gone up. Wal-Mart pack every day. Them have a huge listing. The albums can also be purchased online. They're also in-store physical copy. Hardback copies of the book is also available, viewers and subscribers. As I may point out, definitely the independent dancehall distribution deal of the century. Nobody can tell me nothing. Now the door is open, viewers and subscribers, for all dancehall artists to put out good music out there and create a worldwide fan base. But what some artists have done is take the time out to try to discredit other entertainers, trying to belittle their accomplishments, and it has not worked out in their favor. Because wait do I make other fans, or the fans of dancehall overall, say, then what have you done? Since you critique and try to discredit this big individual, this individual who has made his mark in world music, what have you done, youth? What have you done in the couple years that you have been here? And even if we go talk, say, alright, them just in the game now, 1 4 year, 1 5 year. If we go even look at Vybz Kartel's first 4 or 5 years in the game, them not change the musical landscape like how Vybz Kartel do it. Where them influence? Long before teachers say Clarks and baby people are wear Clarks, he was a teacher found out and said Jersey. I'm bringing a whole vibe of Jersey pan the island. Them thinking are new to Vybz Kartel. When the talent is inherent, means that when you're born with your talent, viewers and subscribers, you know, go to one place, go purchase it. This is God-given talent given unto you. No matter what some people do for try for outshine, what some people try for do for don't play or discredit your achievements. People always see things for what it is. Vybz Kartel is the dominant dancehall artist. Whether they want to say hardcore, whether they want to say independent, think about it. Without the push from the record labels Shaggy is associated with, without the push from the record labels Sean Paul is associated with, them would not be able to do what them do currently. Think about it. Bombastic was a track where definitely was a world hit. We're not gonna take that from them. You know what I mean? And for the better part of people, them didn't really know say Shaggy was a yardie. Because Shaggy that spent a portion of time in North America. I think he was even a part of the North American army. So, you know what I mean? People that consider somebody from overseas. But the music was definitely dancehall. We're not getting it. It's just a commercial form of dancehall. But we know the record label push these music. Good music, it push. You know what I mean? Same thing with Shaggy. Same thing with Sean Paul, rather. Just give me the light. You name all these videos. These songs were definitely pushed. And, you know, it had a good impact on his career. For Vybz Kartel, majority viewers and subscribers have all his strides, all his milestones, all his accomplishments are just God blessings. And because no record label I say for recoup our investment, because we have invested thus far in the pursuit of your career, we want back some money, so we're gonna make sure we promote this song enough on all of the charts and all of the different video platforms so that people can go purchase the song and we can make back our investment. It's different for Vybz Kartel. That's why whenever the dancehall artists buy views and them buy this, the teacher no need for do it. That is why it has never been something considered by the camp viewers and subscribers. Not because we don't see what trend or we don't see way, but when you know the numbers, as then I say the analytics, the data, you don't realize say what them do profits them not. So why would you do it? I follow you like follow so. Why would you do it? If it's not equal to dollars, the teacher said from another prisoner the pre. Well, from your hustle, dollars must be the pre. So if you are in the music industry for hype, and boast and brag and show off about things that you have not actually accomplished, well, do you by all means and entertain the fans who seem to be fans of you. But truth be told, viewers and subscribers, you never need to tweak the formula once it's working. Meaning say Coca-Cola still have the original Coca-Cola today. Them have different variations of the Coca-Cola drink. But As the Coca-Cola would say, if it is not broken, you don't try to fix it. As the dominant artist in the dancehall music, you don't need to try to do nothing. Where the numbers are concerned, all the teacher need to do is continue to give you the hits what the world love. Simple as that. Him no need to do nothing where him no feel like to do. Nothing at all. The teacher give you countless albums, even while behind the bars. Some artists, they are rude. What them do for themselves. Even artists we are do it quite some time now. What them do for themselves. The love and the passion that Vybz Kartel has for music stands out. And that's one of the things where fans will always respect him for. And that's why some other artists, I wonder why them they get the same response the Vybz Kartel get. And that's because the love and respect we him get from the people in the streets, from the true fans. Not just number crunchers, not just record label executives, but the actual fans of the music who actually purchase the music, who actually stream the music, who actually go out and support entertainers. You know there's something go. But the one called Jayden Chase, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative, and I'm reminding them now if you're new to the channel, new to the movement, just a pass through, but they like the reason and of course they like the point of view. Well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon and the bell icon and put it on all. And this is how you know you'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you. Yeah, man, now move settings, fam. No, we don't need no ladder. And my sentiments for you and yours is of course for to live, love and prosper until we reason again.